We are so excited that you have partnered with us for your aligner treatment. Here are some things that come in your SOS box and how you can use them. This is your SOS box. We're excited that you have received that. And within it, you're going to see some notes, and it explains everything that you have in your mouth. Aligners, these are the 6 A's. What the aligners are, the attachments are, which we've explained a little bit, the bumps on your teeth, auxiliaries that you may use, what an adjustment is, what additional aligners are, and then what's going to happen after your treatment. So you can read this at your leisure. Also, we've got some cliff notes for you on your care instructions of the aligners, how you take them in and out, how you clean them, so you can review that. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call us. So now for the most important thing in your box, which is the retainer case. What you're going to do is whenever you remove your aligners, they are going to go in your case. And that is so you don't throw it away accidentally. If you wrap it in a napkin, it will for sure go in the garbage. So always, always, when it is not in your mouth, put it in the retainer case. It's best if you're able to brush your aligner before you put it in there with just regular toothpaste. Here is a toothbrush, a travel toothbrush that you can use. It's small, you can use it, bring it to work, bring it to school, bring it to your friend's house, and that's pretty self-explanatory. We've got our Neal Smiles chapstick to keep your lips nice and healthy during this treatment. These are called chewies. The name does not describe how you're supposed to use them. Chewies are meant to be put in between your teeth with the aligner in. You bite and hold on them so that the aligner can engage your teeth and the aligner can engage the attachments that are put on your teeth. You should be using these chewies if you ever see a space form between the aligner and your tooth, or when you initially put on your aligner for the first couple of days. You want to use it about 3 to 4 times a day, about 30 seconds each. So you bite and hold for about 30 seconds in several parts of your mouth to make sure your aligner will fit. This is cleaning crystals that you can use in order to make sure that your aligner stays clean. You can purchase things online, Amazon, called Aligner Bright as well. Floss, which you should be using regardless. This is a Neal Smiles emery board. If you ever have an area of the aligner that is a little bit rough, you can use cuticle scissors to cut it and then use the emery board to make that nice and smooth. This is bleaching or cleaning liquid that you will put in every so often, usually at night for about 45 minutes to keep your aligners and the teeth from being stained, and it also kills the plaque and keeps your teeth nice and white. And last but not least, everyone's favorite, the Neal Smiles mints to keep your breath fresh. And that is everything that's going to be in your SOS box. If you have any questions about it, let us know. Hopefully you have downloaded the My Ortho app to assist you in making your appointments and checking any other details about your treatment. I'm so excited to see your smile and all the things we do together to make your smile beautiful.